let me break down the top 3 expert-backed reasons why QuietCool is a must-have in your home. Number 1, energy savings. QuietCool whole house fans can save you 50 to 90% on your air conditioning cost. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, installing a whole house fan is the most cost-effective way to cool your home. With low upfront cost, QuietCool offers one of the fastest returns on investment of any green energy product. Instead of spending dollars an hour running your AC, you could just spend pennies an hour running a QuietCool. Number 2, comfort. Imagine having a cool breeze on demand that you can turn on anytime with just a flip of a switch. A breeze that can make your home feel 5 to 10 degrees cooler instantly. QuietCool creates a consistent airflow that balances temperatures in every room of the house, so your whole house feels comfortable, not just 1 or 2 rooms. Number 3, indoor air quality. Did you know that dust, invisible gases, toxins, and airborne pathogens plague your home? Stop running your AC that just recycles that polluted air. Instead, bring in that fresh outdoor air with a QuietCool, so your family and you can breathe easier. The Environmental Protection Agency reports that indoor air is 5 to 10 times more polluted than outdoor air, even the smoggiest metropolitan areas. Now that you know the top 3 benefits to getting a QuietCool, how does it work? For cooling purposes, the best time to run your QuietCool is in the evening and early morning hours. Just open a few windows when it's cooler outside than inside. Then turn on your fan, and the QuietCool will begin pulling that cool, fresh outdoor air through your home and into the attic, then out through those attic vents. This is called thermal mass cooling. Everything in your home stores heat. Your walls, your floors, your furniture, you name it. The AC can only cool the ambient air in your home, which causes the home to constantly reheat. By running your QuietCool, you are effectively extracting the heat from the entire home, including the mass and ambient air. This allows the home to stay cooler and requires the AC much less. If you're looking for a smarter, healthier, and more efficient way to cool your home, QuietCool is the perfect solution for you. If you know you want QuietCool now, just click the link below to get $450 off your install.